In this video, we're comparing two popular VPNs, TunnelBear VPN versus Hide, Me VPN, and we're going to break down why TunnelBear is perfect for first-time VPN users while Hide. Me shines as the best free VPN. But stick around till the end because, after testing both of them, I've found a better option that beats them both, and I'll share that with you. Let's dive right in with TunnelBear. If you're a first-time VPN user, TunnelBear is one of the most beginner-friendly options out there. It's got a simple interface, easy-to-use apps, and the setup takes seconds. You don't need to be tech-savvy to understand how it works, which is why I recommend it to anyone new to VPNs. Next thing, TunnelBear offers solid security. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard, so you can trust it for privacy protection. But there's a catch. While it's secure enough for basic browsing, it's not the best option for more advanced users or people who need robust features like split tunneling or advanced DNS leak protection. The fourth thing, TunnelBear's free version is one of the key selling points. The free plan gives you 500 megabytes of data each month, which isn't a lot, but if you're just using a VPN for basic browsing or checking some geo-blocked content occasionally, it's an awesome starting point. However, once you hit the data limit, it's game over until next month. If you want more data, you'll have to pay for it. Now let's talk about Hide.me. For those of you on the hunt for a completely free VPN, Hide.me is a serious contender. The free version gives you 10 gigabytes of data per month, way more than TunnelBear's 500 megabytes, which is great if you want more freedom to browse and stream without running out of data quickly. But, and this is a big but, the speed isn't always consistent. Sometimes I've noticed it slowing down during peak times, which could be frustrating if you're trying to stream or game. The sixth thing about Hide.me is its security features. Like TunnelBear, it uses AES 256 encryption, so your data is safe. The difference here is Hide.me's free plan comes with a limited number of servers to choose from, and that can affect your connection speeds. But for a free VPN, Hide.me actually holds up pretty well in terms of security and privacy. Now, the downside, Hide.me's free plan doesn't give you access to all the servers that the paid plan offers, which can be limiting if you need specific locations. Also, Hide.me has a bit of a learning curve. It's not as intuitive as TunnelBear, especially if you're a first-time VPN user. While TunnelBear is plug and play, Hide.me requires a bit more effort to get started and configure for optimal performance. So, after testing TunnelBear and Hide.me, what's the better alternative? While both VPNs are good in their own right, they each have drawbacks. TunnelBear is fantastic for first-time VPN users, but the data limits and lack of advanced features may hold you back. Hide.me offers more data and stronger privacy features, but the interface can be a bit tricky and the speeds can drop. If you're looking for a solution that combines ease of use, strong security, and better performance, I'd recommend you check out the link in the description below. I've tried all of these VPNs myself, and after testing them, I can confidently say that there's a better option out there for you with an exclusive free trial for our viewers. This VPN will not only meet your needs, but exceed them. Don't miss out on this, and click the first link for the best deal.